How to add search bar in Google Sites. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. If you want to add search bar on your Google Sites, open up your Google Sites and now on the right hand side, you'll see the embed option. Tap on it and then you can see by URL and embed code. Go ahead and tap on embed code and you have a certain code which I will paste in the description below. You just have to paste it and then hit next and it shows this is how your search bar will look like. Just go ahead and tap on insert and there you go. A search bar has been inserted in your Google site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.